since we have this, we squeeze this to grab it, and when you have it, you also squeeze it. I might need to get a little more for that one. These are gonna be bite-sized cookies, so alright, so I'm gonna ball this one up. These are gonna get shared in the fridge for 2 hours and roll them in cinnamon and sugar. Alright, Mama's turn. These are edible. Oh, it smells so good. So you're gonna take one side, place, push down. The other side, push down. And look, it doesn't it? Guys, do you guys see that smiley face right there? That's silly. Mama got it. You don't need any chocolate because they're just still soft from taking them out from the oven. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna do 2 more. Comment guys, comment down below if you can smell it. Dropped it. Satisfying. Oh. I'm gonna put his eye low. My eyes. Yeah, this one I did. Alright guys, these pumpkin Mexican hot cocoa cookies are so good guys. You need to try these out. Make sure you try it. Guys, look at this extra sugar. It makes like a cool design. Do you guys know the thing called sap from trees? Though it's really sticky. It's kind of what it is. It's kind of sticky and it kind of looks like it. You don't need any frosting to stick these eyeballs on the cookies. It's already really soft. Guys, I'm gonna make it like that. Oh, guys, look at all this sugar. Pretty good. I'm not doing anything. Because look, I could just do, oh no, that. Okay, last one. now we have those. Guys, look at this. Doesn't this look like the Cookie Monster? Comment if you think it does. I know we have these 3 ones, but Mama's gonna do those ones. Alright guys, make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And make sure you hit the bell. Bye!